Hi, in this video, I will cover how you can sign up for RDA and get started with AIOps Studio. First, go to our website roboticdata.ai and then click on the free sign up button. Fill up your information here and you will get an email with a link to the sign up page where you can create account in the AIOps Studio, and that link is going to be this one, aopstudio.cloudfabrix.io. Here, first click on the sign in with RDA SSO. Click on don't have an account, sign up, and say continue. Check for your email. In the verification email, click on the link. It will say email verified. Click on back to AIOps Studio. Now say sign in with SSO. Make sure you select the latest version. Now your AIOps Studio is ready. Click here and then give this command studio and do shift enter. Here you can select various tasks. First, we are going to import solution packages, which has some of the sample datasets and pipelines. Use the URL that is provided to you. Click on download and view contents. Now you can verify the contents that are in the solution package. We have 4 pipelines, 4 datasets, and 1 formatting template. It all looks good. Say import selected. Import is complete. Okay, once you have imported the solution package, you can go and add a bot source. Okay, click on administration manage bot sources, go to add and select NLP CFX AI NLP bot and give the name NLP. Say check connectivity and add. Here it is asking you to restart the kernel, so you can go and do click on this button, restart the kernel, restart, and then wait for it to come back up. When it says idle, then it is ready to be instantiated again. Now it says idle. Now go back to the cell and then do shift enter. Now let us verify if the bot source that we added, if it's effective or not. So go to explore data automation bots, type NLP, and now we can see that all the NLP uh, related bots are active. So now let's go ahead and try out some of the sample pipelines and explore data sets. We had 4 data sets, right? So sample, you can explore this. You can also execute pipelines, select edit a pipeline. You can review the content later. We have few analytics in the pipeline. Okay. You can inspect the output at every stage of the pipeline after its completed execution. So let us say if we want to see the HTML report. So this was the report that we generated from the incident. Okay, so this concludes the video on how to get started with AIOps Studio, how to sign up